Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will solve day 9 problem of hackerrank, that is on recursion. So let's see what is the challenge given. So the task is to find the factorial of a number. So factorial means the number which is given into the number minus 1, and it will continue till it will reach 1. Okay, so see the example. If the user gives the input 3, means it will give the output as 6, means 3 into 2, which is 1 less than 3, into 1, which is equal to 6, means 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. Okay, so we have to find the factorial of any given number. So let's jump towards the code. So hackerrank has already given some of the important libraries. Okay, and it has already declared a function factorial and passes parameter n, and it has already taken n is equal to input. Okay, that is of integer data type, and also called our function factorial n. Okay, so all the things we have to do is write only the logic, that is 3 to 4 lines of code for the recursion. Recursion means the calling of same function to itself. Okay, so the factorial function will call itself in this program. Okay, so let's write our program. I am writing the first condition is if n is equal to 1, then it will return to 1, and if it will not 1, then it will multiply the number with its less than number. Okay, and it will continue till it will reach 1. Okay, so in my if condition I am writing n is equal to 1, then it will directly return 1, else it will multiply n with its 1 less than number, that is here we are using recursion, so we are calling factorial function to itself, so n minus 1. So we are again calling our function factorial n minus 1, so that it will call itself by decreasing the value by 1. Okay, until it will reach 1, our task is complete. Okay, so at last I am writing return n. Okay, that's all for our factorial program. So let's run the code. Yes, it passes the test case. Let's submit the code. Yes, you can see it passes all the test cases, and we have successfully completed the factorial program within 4 to 5 lines of code. Okay, so that's all for today. We will meet in our next video. Thank you.